Fix GCash update problem. If you want to fix the update problem on GCash, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, let's say your application has an update, right? Just make sure that your internet connection is basically updated to the latest version and your internet connection is working just fine. After that, you can simply go ahead and then long press the GCash app icon. Tap the particular I button here to come to app info page. Go to storage, clear cache, and you can try to clear the data. Once you've done this, you can simply try to go to app details in store, and here you might see an update button if it has an update available. And once done, you should be able to update your GCash app to the latest version and fix all the issues. And hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.